Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Susan Joke, the creative director of Sujokum of Creativity. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching us how to make this simple fascinator. Please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, click on notification bell to get notified anytime I post a new video. And to my existing viewers, thanks for standing by me. We'll be needing our bishop cap or your pope cap. I'll be needing some rose for embellishments. You can use any type of rose in the market. I got this rose in the market. I'll be needing a measuring tape. I'll also be needing a scissors, a thread and matching needle and matching color of thread, a piece of fabric or your felt fab material, your glue gun or your UHU gum. We'll be needing our Alice band. Top it all, we'll be needing our pipe crinoline. I know majority of us might have seen this at the market. It's called a pipe crinoline. So I'll be using about 1 yard or 1.5 yards of this pipe. So let's get started into the video. This spiral design to make my cap. So I'll be teaching us how to make this spiral design first of all. And I told us I used 1 yard of pipe crinoline. So many of us know how to make a spiral design with our crinoline. But in case you don't know how to do it, so this is how you do it. Do it this way. Pick the other one on top of it this way. You do it again this way. You do it again this way. So determine how big and how small you want it to be. This is it. If you and place it on my pop cap to see, yes. If I feel this thing I use is okay, I can cut off my excess thread or I can make more loops depending on how I want it to look like. So this is it. Depending on how I want it to look like, this is it. And for this, you can decide where you want it to be. You can decide it to be at this side or this side. I've also made this and make it a little bit small. And this is it. Either this way, exactly how you place it on it at the middle, or this. If you are using your pop cap, you can just place it at the upper part while your rose will be at this other part. So after doing that, I'm going to tack this down to my pop cap. Then I'll also tack this down to my pop cap. So you can as well put your rose on it to determine, to see the thickness of the design, to see how beautiful the outcome of the design is going to be before tacking it down, to know the exact place you want it to be. So this is it. Yes. Isn't this looking beautiful already, guys? It's already looking beautiful. And I can decide to place this way as well. So it's looking. I'll tap down my spiral design. Then I'm going to attach it to my Alice band before placing my rose on it. So I'll tack it down now and get back to us. I said I won't be placing my gum on it now, but I just want to do a rough sketch to see how it's going to, how I'll be placing it on my Alice band. So I'll place the rose on it this way. Note, I've not attached my gum or anything on it, so place it this way like this. Then I'm going to pick my Alice band. Remember, I want to attach my Alice band to it, but I want to see which way. Either I'm going to put it to the right like this, or I'm going to put the road side at this end. Either which way, either you place it like this or you place it this way. So what I'll be doing now is I'm going to remove it. Then I want my spiral to be to the right like this. So I'm going to place my band on it. Remember, it's a fascinator and it's always at the side. So you won't be placing your Alice band straight this way. I'm going to place it halfway to the end of your Alice band. So I'm going to do it like this. We have different ways of attaching your Alice band. You can put your hot glue and place your Alice band on it, or you tack it down. But for me, I told us I like to tack my raw. So I'm going to tack my Alice band to my cap this way. I'm going to place it this way. I don't know if you are seeing what I'm doing. Place it like this. You bring it in and out of your cap this way. Bring it in and out of your cap this way. And you tack it like about a quarter inch or 1 inch. To be on the safer side, I do tack my Alice band to my fascinator at 1 inch interval. So it's going to hold it very well. So you take it in again. You're going to take it out to the other side. You keep doing that. You keep doing it till you get to your 1 inch or a quarter inch. So this is it. So I'm going to finish tacking it down now, and I'm going to get back to this. Yes. See, let's assume this is the length I want it to look like. This is it. As you can see, this is it. But I'm still going to tack it more a little to make it, as you can see, like this. It's still shaking, but I'm going to tack it a little bit more to keep it in place. Then after tacking it down, I'm going to add gum to my rose, and I'll be placing it on it this way. Then I also cut it. And as you place it, help to attach your Alice band to your fascinator. So what I'll be doing now is I'll be cutting out a little thread. Then I'm going to tack. I am going to knot my thread, open it up like this. Then I'm going to knot it to keep the stitch in place. Here is it. I'm going to notch it. Like 2 or 3 times. And I'm going to cut out. Yeah. So I'll cut out the excess thread. So I'm going to take my hot glue gun now. I'm going to attach my rose to it this way. And I'm also going to cover up the stitch this way. So I want to plug my gum, and it has already started melting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place my gum on my rose like this. I'm going to spread it evenly on it this way. Then I'm going to place it on my work this way. Listen, I'm going to hold it a little for it to dry. I'm going to hold it a little for it to dry. And I'm also going to place my gum on this area where I tap. And I'm also going to place my bets on it this way. Yes. So guys, it's very beautiful, guys. This is it. I told us we can do it whichever way. I also make another one, placing it like this. My rose is to the right side. This is it. So, this is it. Isn't this looking very beautiful, guys? So if you love this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment and share my video. And if you viewer, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Bye bye.